Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this here. This is the STARGEAR Starlink cable. So if you needed a replacement cable or a longer cable for your Starlink, it says new Starlink cable with the end caps 75 feet. So let's see what this Starlink cable looks like here. So this is it here. It comes in a very big bag. And this is it. It looks like it's put this over here. It's by STARGEAR. I don't know where my boxes can go, but here we go. So this is what it looks like here. That's the plug for the Starlink cable right there. Oh, has the cover on it. There, that's the plug for it. You can see it almost looks like it looks almost like the micro USB, but I don't know what style it uses. And then it's got the little plastic cover to keep it safe. And it's got two ends like that with the little right angles. It's got a nice Velcro strap on it, and the cable is nice and thick, and it looks like it's good for outdoor use for sure. It's gonna last and be heavy duty. Oh, you can go right angle on it, or you can kind of go straight on it as well. Kind of well put together. So it's a really nice, strong cable. So for your Starlink, this one here is ridiculously long. What did I say it was, 75 feet? 75 feet. So you got a really long cable if you need it for your Starlink. Very good. Thumbs up.